Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in seeing how I made this delicious boiled dumpling, then continue watching. To make our boiled dumplings, we are going to be needing about half a cup of cornmeal. I am using yellow cornmeal, and I am using 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And I like to use some milk in mine, so I have here about 3 tablespoons of milk, and I have half a cup of cold water. And you're also going to be needing about half a teaspoon of salt. Don't forget to check the description box where I will list everything and the exact measurements for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. So first thing we are going to do is take about half teaspoon of salt, and we are going to go ahead and drop that cornmeal just so we can mix all the dry ingredients and stir everything together. Of course, if you want, you can double up this recipe. I am not making too much because I have some fried dumplings from the other day. I just made some aki, which I have the video for you guys as well. That's what I'll be eating this with. So, and I might do some fried plantains as well. So that's why I'm not making too much. Okay, so now I like to add my milk. Not a lot of people add milk, so if you don't want to add milk, go ahead and just stick to the water. Just make sure you are using cold water. Okay, so now I am going to add my water a little at a time. You are going to want to use clean hands, guys, to do this because we are going to mix the flour, or the dough I should say. So add a little water at a time, which it should be enough. I myself, like I always tell you guys, I don't typically measure when I make this off camera, so sometimes it's hard to come up with the water ratio. Okay, so now I am just mixing everything together. Make sure it's nicely kneaded. As you can see, this is an easy recipe, especially if you are tired of eating rice and you just want to change. You can make any type of stew, smoked herring, or just salted fish will go so well with this. Just really trying to knead it really, really well. And now I'm going to allow it to sit for about 10 minutes. Once I'm done doing all the hard work. This is the hardest part. Okay. Just like this, you can see it's not sticking to my hand. Really nice, really firm. And now I'm going to cover it, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Meanwhile, if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload. We love you guys in this channel, so don't miss out, okay, guys? All right, time to cover. I'll come back and show you guys what to do next. Next, you are going to want to grab a pan and put some water in it. And I am going to salt the water, to season the water, I should say, with some salt. Just like when you're making pasta, you don't just drop the pasta in the water without seasoning. This is the same thing. You want to season the water. So I am going to allow it to come to a boil before we go ahead and shape our dumplings to put into that boiling water. All right, guys, so now my water is boiling. So what I'm going to do is pinch a piece of that dough, just like I would if I was making regular dumplings, and then just shape it. We are going to make these into flat dumplings. Again, I did put the cornmeal flour, but it is not necessary. If you don't like that texture, you don't have to, but I myself love that. So I'm going to drop them in. And you will know they were done once they start floating. I like to give them about 20 minutes to cook. Once they start floating, then you know they are done. If not, like I said again, give them 20 minutes, okay? All right, guys, my dumplings are pretty much done. I did poke a fork into one. As you can see on the side, it is done. I'll show you guys here. They've been cooking for exactly 20 minutes. I'll taste a piece here. Oh yeah. Like I said, I love the texture of the cornmeal in mine, but you don't have to. This is what I'm going to eat mine with. This beautiful plate of Jamaican ackee. So, which I do have the recipe on this channel for you guys, so make sure you check out that video. But this will do it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, please try the recipes, share with me on social media if you can. I do love that when you guys send me some pictures. But I love you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Continue to stay safe. Bye-bye.